the lift right now, and I got a noise. It's a 2014 CRV, and I believe it's a center drive. It's a drive shaft carrier bearing noise. So I want you to hear this, okay? I don't know if you guys can hear that or not. Sounds like a wheel bearing, but it has a scratchy noise to it as well. So, carrier bearing. Sounds like a scratchy type noise. All right, slow it down. And get another one. That helps, and the noise is at about 40 to 60 miles an hour. So, got any questions, leave them in the box below, and I'll be happy to answer.